What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Subaru remote start remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for Subaru vehicles that have a dealer installed remote start system, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2450. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other things I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery are a small Phillips head screwdriver and a smaller flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my Phillips head. Then I'm going to grab my key fob and flip it over so I'm looking at the back. And if we take a look down here near the key ring, you can see there's this screw right here. And I've already got this one loosened up just to save a little bit of time. Just go ahead and loosen that up. Pull that screw out of there. Then I'm going to grab my flathead screwdriver. And if we take a look kind of over on the other side of this key ring, right here we see there's this notch right here. I'm going to get my screwdriver in there like that and just carefully pry the two halves apart. Then I'm just going to work my way around on the bottom here, just prying apart like that. And once you get it far enough apart, you can just pull it the rest of the way with your hands like this. In the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. There's a little cutout right here that will allow you to get your screwdriver in there and get under the edge of the battery and kind of pop it out of that holder. It takes a little bit of pressure to pop that out. Then I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing it with the plus side down, positive side down. Then I'm just going to go ahead and snap it down into this holder right here. Make sure that's all the way snapped in there. Then we can snap the two halves back together. And then the last thing we'll do is put this screw back in, and I'll put that in, screw that down after the video just to save a little bit of time. And then after you have that screw in, that'll be it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.